Right, so this is a past exam question. This is from the C2 Edexcel paper, January 2007, and this is question number 4. So let's have a read. Solve the equation 5 to the power x equals 17, giving our answer to 3 significant figures. So let's take a look at this question. So let me copy down the equation. So let me pick up my favorite color, blue. So we have 5 to the power x is equal to 17. Now, unfortunately, we can't make 17 a base of 5, so we need to take logarithms or natural logarithms on both sides. So I had to take natural logarithms on both sides. So let me write down my steps. So by taking natural logarithms, so natural logarithms, so logs for short, on both sides. So what do we mean by this? So that simply means I write an ln, so ln is the natural log function, in front of 5 to the power x, and I write an ln in front of 17. So you can even take log to the base of 10 on both sides. So the process, both methods work, and you should get the same answer. So let's go to the second step. So in the second step, ln 5 to the power of x, you can use the power rule of logarithms to bring this power to the front. So if I use the power rule, if I take a red pen, so the power rule says whenever we have a power, we bring that to the front. So if I go back to my favorite color, bringing the power to the front, we'll have x ln 5, and that is equal to ln 17. And what is x? When I rearrange, x should be ln 17 divided by ln 5. So this is where the calculator kicks in. So let me punch this in the calculator. So ln 17 divided by ln 5, which to 3 significant figures you should get 1.76. So let me write down the answer. Let me pick up my pen. 1.76 to 3SF, 3 significant figures. So that completes question number 4, and that ends the video. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you're unaware of this method, I have created videos in the past going through the process in a step-by-step manner, along with additional examples, and I'll provide links to those videos in the description below.